In this video, we will show how to calculate for the portfolio beta. So remember that the beta of a portfolio is simply the weighted average of the betas of component investments, right? And we will show how you can calculate for this, where it's simply adding all the betas of the specific component investments. So for this example, we will look at this specific scenario where we have the following stock portfolio. Machines would have $800,000 investment and a beta coefficient of 1.2. Mining has a beta coefficient of minus 0.04 and an investment of 1.2 million. Healthcare has a $2 million investment with a beta coefficient of 1.5. And home supply has a $4 million investment and a beta coefficient of 0.8. The total investment here is $8 million. What is the beta coefficient of this portfolio? So we're trying to look for this. The solution is we're just looking at the weighted average of the stock beta, right? So what we'll do here is we'll calculate the beta coefficient for the machine portfolio plus the beta coefficient for your mining plus the beta coefficient of healthcare plus the beta coefficient of home supply. So so for mining, we know that the beta coefficient is 1.2 multiplied by the investment of $800,000 divided by the total investment of 8 million. Right? So once you calculate for this, it will actually be 1.2 times 0.1. Same thing for your mining portfolio, where the beta is minus 0.4 times investment here is $1.2 million divided by the total investment of 8 million. You'll get minus 0.4 times 0.15. Same thing with your healthcare, which is the beta is 1.5 times 2 million, which is the total investment, divided by 2 million, which is investment on healthcare, divided by 8 million, which is the total investment on this portfolio. You will get 1.5 times 0.25. Right? And lastly, the portfolio for home supply, where you have the beta of 0.8 times the investment in home supply is 4 million divided by the total investment portfolio of 8 million, you have 0.8 times 0.5. So now when we calculate for this, we have 1.2 times 0.1 equals 0.12, 0.4 times 0.15 equals to negative 0.06, 1.5 times 0.25 is 0.03.75, and 0.8 times 0.5 is 0.4. So adding all of this, you would get the portfolio beta of 0.835.